Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own panel for your Twitch About Me page. So your About Me page is pretty much your viewers' first impression on you. So not only do you want to make it easy to read and go through, but you also want to make it stand out a little bit and like show who you are as a streamer, so that way they can kind of get an idea of what they're pretty much getting into when they go to your page. I consider myself a cozy streamer, so I'm going to go with something that's more like neutral tone, maybe something with like plants and like a cat. I don't know. That's just what I usually go with. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. All right, so the program I use is Canva. I make all my graphics here, as you can see. Unfortunately, it's not going to be free to use for this because you do need to be able to download your panel with a transparent background, and sadly you cannot do that with the free version. The paid version I think was like 15 bucks, so it really wasn't that bad, especially if you plan to make your own graphics all the time like I do. Like, I'm always changing it up, so for me it's worth it, especially in the long run, so I'm not always having to like buy a new graphic every time I want to switch it up. So what we're gonna do is go to custom size right here. We are gonna go with 640 by 350. Create new design. So you're gonna be met with this blank page. So what you're gonna do is head over to Elements, Shapes, and then I like to use the rounded rectangle. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch that out to the size that I want. I'm not gonna keep it that color. I'm gonna go with something a little bit more neutral. If you're not really sure what kind of a color palette you want to go with, there is a site right here called Colors Co. And what you can do is pick out a bunch of different palettes. So if you have an idea of like a color scheme you want to go with, you can probably find it here. And then that way you can just click on the color, copy the number, and then you can paste it over onto Canva. So this is the one I always go with, so that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste it right into here. Get the color I want. And I'm going to do the same thing with the border. Go ahead and copy. And then we're going to paste that, if it lets me. Yes, like that. So that's usually the color combination I tend to go with. So then we're going to head over to text. I'm going to add a text box, and this is going to be my About Me. And then we're going to go ahead and find a font. I already have one that I like to use, so you can go ahead and go through them, pick out what kind of fits you the most. But this is the one I go with. And then I'm going to change the color of that. I'm going to keep it white, and then I think I might do a outline of it just to make it stand out a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna decorate this panel a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back to Elements, and like I said, I'm going for a cozy vibe. So I want some plants for sure. This is cute. Kind of got like a little hanging basket. Maybe add some fairy lights. I kind of already have an idea of what I wanted to do with this, so that way I'm not sitting here all day with a super crazy long video. I'm gonna do like a cute little fairy light right here. And then, actually that might be a little too big. I'm gonna add like a cute little kitty cat. This one here. Gonna put that one down there. And then I wanna add something to like this back corner. Yeah, and then what you can do is click on position, and then you can send that all the way to the back. So that way it's behind everything else that you did. Like that. I think I like it. It's cozy, it's cute. It's got a nice little color scheme that I usually go with. Once you're done, we're gonna head over to share, but don't forget to title it. I just titled mine About Me. I'm gonna keep it all the same for my panels. If you want to do something for each one, you can, but I'm just trying to do this quickly for the sake of the video. So we're gonna hit share, download. Make sure you select transparent background, or else when you go to upload your panel, you're gonna have this whole like white block show up. And you don't want that. You just want your graphic that you made. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and download. So after that's downloaded, we're gonna go back to our Twitch page. We're gonna go to edit panels. Scroll down to the panel you want to change. Mine is the About Me, so I'm gonna add image. Click here. We're gonna go to the About Me, double click it. Stretch that out so it's the whole thing and hit done. Then you're gonna want to submit. And then go back to your panels, and there you go. You got your new About Me panel. I could make it a little bit bigger, so I'll probably go back to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much all it is. It's really easy. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed, liked, leave a comment. It would mean so much to me. Also, I do stream on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 p.m. PST, and then every Saturday at 6 p.m. PST. So yeah, I hope to see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Bye.